Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, T Designs by D. If you're looking to create a personalized graduation button in Canva, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through step by step on how to edit a graduation button template in Canva. So whether you're making them for a graduate, a party favor, or even a sale, this tutorial will help you create a design that stands out. Let's get started. So first, log into your Canva account, and if you haven't already, make sure you have access to a graduation button template. You can use one of Canva's free templates, or you can purchase a custom design like the ones in my shop. Okay, so let's start off by um, selecting some graduates that we want to use in this new template. So I have created some images in AI, so I'll take these two images right here. And as you can see, there's a school in the background, and I'm going to remove that. So I am going to select the image and then select BG Remover. It is a pro feature, so you have to have um, Canva Pro in order to be able to remove backgrounds in Canva. I am going to duplicate this because I am going to use both of these ladies. So I am going to make changes with this particular one, and then I am going to make changes to her that's located on the other side. Then I am going to copy both of those, and I am going to place them on the page that I will be making changes to. All right. So this particular image I'm going to put here. And this particular image, I am going to increase in size as well. And I'm going to put her on this side. I want this one a little larger. There we go. All right. And then I'm going to go to position so I can take both of these images and, and pull them down to where my other two images that we originally started out with, where they are. And I am going to delete them just by hitting the delete keys. Okay. Now, as we can see, our colors are different. No longer are we working with red and white, but now we're working with green and gold. So we're going to replace everything that we see in red. We're going to replace that with our new colors, which are green and gold. So we'll start off with class as, and we see it's red, and we're going to replace it with the green. 2025, you see it's red. We're going to replace it with a green. Congratulations. Now, congratulations is actually in white, but it has an effect on it, and that effect is in red, which we're going to change to green. And this is what you're going to do with your template. You're just going to switch out your colors. You did it. We see that's in red, so we're going to change that to green. Senior, we see that's in red, and we're going to change that to green as well. And now we need to go to position so that we can get to some items that are not easily available to us as we're working. So we see the grunge down here, which is red. We're going to change that to green. We see our little speckles in the back are red. We're going to change those to green. And we see that the name of our graduate is Tommy Tillman, and we're going to change that to Sarah Green. Well, let's change it to Sarah Moore. What about that? And we see that That is in red, and we are going to change that to green. I didn't see it change, though. Let's try that again. Sarah, from red to green. Okay. All righty. We're going to change the name of the school from Turner to Taylor High School. We're going to change our diploma where we see red. We're going to switch that out to green and just have some fun with it. Now, we have our colors as green and white, but we can change our colors if we want to and make it green and gold. Okay, so let's select senior. And we know that the original text color is green, but the effect is what's white. And that's what we're going to change. We're going to change that to a gold. I want to make it a little darker gold. There we go. That's cute. 2025, we're going to change it. It's more like yellow. Okay. I need to go back and change that. Okay, that's better. And this one, we're going to change that. Okay. And congratulations, which is white on the inside. We're going to change that to gold. And then Sarah has an effect around her name in white. We're going to change that to gold. Sarah is hard to read with that gold. Sarah should be green, and her effect instead of white is what should be gold. But her name, in fact, Sarah, should be green, but it's not changing it. Why? Sarah should, there she goes. Okay, and her effect instead of white should be gold. Okay, that's better. Now, do you see anything else that we missed? Yes, the logo. Okay, so instead of our logo that is red, now we could change it, and we could change it and make a green, gold. But what we're going to do is we're going to just switch it out altogether and replace it with this particular logo. Now, this Mustang has a box around it. So here again, we're going to use BG Remover, which is a pro feature. And we remove the background. And then we're going to bring our Mustang right in front of senior. But we don't want it in front. We want it behind. So we're going to go to position. And we're going to drag our logo behind senior. So now we have it behind senior. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit because it's all over the place. And I'm going to bring her down a little more. Okay, so now we're finished with that. So now that we have our image and we've made all of our changes, we're going to download this with a transparent background, and then we're going to upload it back into Canva. So we go to share. We're going to go to download. We're going to go to PNG, and we don't want a transparent. We do want a transparent background, so we're not going to check it. But we want page 2. So when we select current page and hit done, that is the only thing that will be downloaded. So now we can hit download. And once we've hit download, we see that it does have a transparent background, which is what we wanted. So we take that we have downloaded. I'm going to add another page, and I'm going to download that on there. Okay. And then I'm going to copy that download image. And we're going to go to our actual button template. And then we're going to right click it, and we're going to select detach image. And so you see, there's another image, but it's detached. And we're going to just pull it to the side. That's another way of deleting it. And then we're going to take that image that we download and we're going to bring that in. And we're going to drag that into the area on the face of the button. And voila, we have it. So there we have it on how to edit a Canva graduation button using a template. Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on our next video.